Now visit my site, which is Zekeriya Kaya Math Sites. If you write it in Google, you will find it. Also, please like and subscribe, even if you don't like. Do it. Okay, now we have written the formula. This is the second part of natural numbers. We have written a formula to add the sum of numbers if they increases with same limit or with same number. Also, let's do a question about this so you can understand how it happens. So firstly, let's do a question which you may see in the book. Oops, I want to change the color. 1, 2, is it okay? And 1 plus 2 plus, no, not 2. Of 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 plus, let's say it goes until 19. Find the sum of these numbers. Let's say it goes until 19. So, here, do you want me to solve it for you or do you want to try? You want to try. Okay, let's see that who can do it. Also, I can try it in my mind. 20, 10, 10 is good. Good. Okay. Yes, it increases 2 by 2. Yes. But can we do what there? No, we can because it's plus 2. When it is times 2, you can do it. Because right now there is plus 2. Did you do something? Okay. Let's do that together, everybody. Because there is somebody who needs to learn the rule, how to use the rule. Yes. Jamali. In this rule, we have written a rule in class and represents the last number and shows the last number. X is the first number, A is the number which we increase. So, in this one, what is the last number? The last number is 19. Instead of n, we will put the number 19. X is the number which we start from. The first number is 1, am I right? Then times last number and minus x. X is the first number minus 1. So this one is increasing with which constant number? We add what? 2. Plus 2. Now over 2 times the increasing number. What is the increasing? 2 times 2. Now let's write 19 plus 1, 20 times 19 minus 1, 18 plus 2, 20 again over 2 times 2. 2 and 20, 10. 2 and 20, 10. 10 times 10, 100. Yes. 5 times 20, yes. You will find 100 again, yes. 100 again. Whatever you do, you must find 100. If you didn't find 100, really? I am sorry because of that. Yes. Yes.
2 times 2, 4. Then we simplify 20 by 4, 5. The other 20 by 4, 5. So just one. Okay.
Now, let's check that is this working well or not. How can we check that? I will give you the number which are 2, 4, 6 and they will finish at 18. We know that if it starts from 1 and 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if it goes like that, it is 19 times 20 over 2. 20 over 2 will be 10. 10 times 19, 190. So that sum should be 90 because sum of this part is 100. Let's see that is it true or not. 2 plus 4 plus and it will finish at 18. And sum of these numbers you must find it as 90. Let's say that the rule is working or not. Yes, find this. Yes. You must find 90. And we will see that is the rule working or not. Cover the people who choose us. Right now they are trying to solve the question and I'm playing with the smartboard. You must find 90.
90.
Hairstyle.
The nice hairstyle, huh? Yes. If you found 90, that means this rule is really working. Okay. This well is not for us. Yes, what was the rule? Last number plus first number, then last number minus first number plus the increasing number over 2 times 2. Okay. Now 18 plus 2 will be 20. Let's put equal signs here. So minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. There will be 18 here. Then 2 times 2, 2 and 20 simplifies, 10 will be here. 2 and 18 will simplify each other, 9 will be there. So 9 times 10 will be 90. So we see that the rule is really working nice. Now let's do a really tricky example. Now everybody solve this example. $83. Do I have a mistake? Yes, I have a mistake, not 83. Yo, 83 should be good.
Okay, now.
Let's see.
Okay. And if it is not,
I'm sorry.
it will be a natural number.
It's good, it's good. It's good. Ha ha. minus first plus increasing. Oh, you did minus first minus increasing, I think. Minus first plus increasing number. Yes, this one is good. Oh, okay. There are some hard or longer calculations. This one is going well, going good. Yes, thank you for watching my own videos. I don't know why he does it. Yes, number 6 wants to solve it very much. Let's give to number 6 a second. Yes, to solve. Now first you put equal sign before you start. So last plus first. Close the parentheses. Last minus first plus the increasing number or the number which we increase by. Okay. 89 will be there. Oh, very hard number. 84 will be there. Over 2 times 7. When you simplify, change the color please. Change the color. Do it as you wish. No problem. The one which you like. Okay. 84 and 2. Let's simplify them. 84 divided by 2 makes 42. 42. Take it 2 times back. No, don't use that. Take it 2 times back. 1, not that, back. 1. You couldn't click. Press there. Don't worry. You are moving it forward. It cannot move forward. You must move it back. Yes. 42. Yes, move it forward right now. Move it forward right now. Yes, number 6 is doing this. Don't press it a lot of times. Yes, wait a minute. I must help you about this. Yes, now we can continue. Choose the pen. First you choose the pen. Now continue. 84. Also cancel 2. Let's cancel 2. 84 and 2 simplifies each other. 84 divided by 2 makes 42. Now 42 and 7 we can simplify them once again. A few seconds before I will tell that number 6 is writing, but the people who listen, they may think that I am the one who writes because number 6 does everything after I told. It looks like I'm the one who writes over there. 89 times 6 will be there. We simplified 84, we found 6 instead of 84. So the result will be 534. If you did the calculation well. I think everybody understood how this rule works. I think we don't need a second thing. Now normally, yes. What? Huh. Anyway, now I will give you questions. I will ask you to solve questions about natural numbers, not for the next week, after that. For the next Thursday, I want you to solve the part which is about sets. Number 5, are you listening? From the book, which is in internet, in my site, go to grade homework. From homework, go to grade 8. In grade 8, there is a folder group algebra. For the next Thursday, solve the questions which are about sets. In group algebra, there is a test book. In that test book, solve the questions which are about sets. For this weekend, for the next weekend, I won't be here. So after the next weekend. So not for the next Thursday, after that Saturday. I mixed. Yes, after 2 weeks for Saturday, I want you to solve the tests or about natural numbers. Let's see how many tests are there. 1, 2, 3, 8. Yes. Integers. 4, 5. No, 5 tests. There are 5. So less. So there are kind of questions which I need to show to you. Agon and me, we found some. Oh, I am sorry. Did you realize it? We thought that you didn't realize it. Anyway, like there's a first question. It says that there are some types of questions which are not in the Pre-Algebra 1 book, but they are in these tests. So, for the set part, I didn't check this one, so I can check. Bring this book, number 2, bring this book for the next lesson for us. Okay. So there is a book, there is a type of questions. It says that if a plus b is 20, what is the biggest and smallest value for this? Thank you for closing the door, but it won't. Yes, it happened. So, what is smallest and biggest value for product of these numbers? Look at that. We are studying about natural numbers. They start from 1 goes to infinite. So, the smallest product is with 1. We can make it with 1 and 19, pardon. So we are looking for the smallest and biggest result of these. Yes, number 5 and 6. So for a plus b equal to 20, we must give some values. When they are away, the values, when they are away from each other, or when the difference is the highest difference gives us smallest product. The lowest difference I can make 10 plus 10. So 10 times 10 will give me the biggest product. For example, I can make 9 plus 11 will be 20, 9 plus 11, I can choose that, but 9 times 11 will give me 99. So the idea which you need to know, the highest difference gives the smallest product, the lowest difference gives the biggest product. That's the idea. Now let's give you another number to find. So if a plus b is equal to 25, find smallest and biggest product. Smallest and biggest product. Smallest, let's write it here, biggest. Yes. You can do it directly also. Let's see that who can find it truly. This is the type of question which we use this time in Turkey a lot. I'm sorry, student number blah blah blah, I used your name once. Also student number blah blah blah, I used your name also. Yes.
Write the smallest for A.
I didn't understand. Smallest product. So for A and B, you will choose some numbers. Product means result of multiplication. Product means result of multiplication. So, how can you get the smallest result or biggest result? Find the smallest. Yes, number 2. So, number 2 will do the smallest result. What is the smallest result which we can get? We must make the difference biggest. We must find the biggest difference. So, the sum must be 25. Yes, the sum must be 25. So, for 25, so the difference we can choose 1 and 25. Pardon, 1 and 24. 1 plus 24 makes 25. 1 times 24 makes 24. Now we must find the biggest product. For biggest product, so which numbers has the lowest difference? For example, 10 plus 15. 10 plus 15 makes 25. Number 1. 10 plus 15 makes 25. 25, pardon. But 10 and 15 has the difference 5. I can make it 11 and 14. 11 and 14. Also 12 and 13. 12 and 13 has the lowest difference. That's why 12 times 13 will give us the highest product, the biggest product. Okay? Is it true, everybody? 10 times 13. 10 times 13 is 130. 2 times 13 is 36. 2 times 13 is 26. 130 plus 26 makes 156. Is good. Okay. You understood this type. Now I'll check some other questions. What? There is a question which I realized, but there is no need for you to know it, I think. We talked about a question. Inverse of this question. You can go to talk. If A times B is equal to, let's choose a number 48. Find the ratio of what's that? I didn't understand that. Find the ratio of, how can I, or find the smallest and biggest ratio of A over B. Yes. This is the type of question. Yes. Twenty-four times 24 doesn't make 48. It is A times B equal to 48. A times B. Something like that we will do. Now everybody, let me teach you the idea. Number 5, number 6, all of you, let me teach the idea. Look at that. In this one, we choose the numbers inversely. We choose the numbers from product. In previous one, look at let's see the previous question. Can we go? Yes. We choose the numbers by using the sum. We choose the numbers by using the sum. So 1 plus 24, 2 plus 23, 3 plus 22. We choose the numbers by using the sum. Right now, we will choose the numbers by using a product. We want A times B to be 48. So, to make this ratio biggest, we must choose some numbers which are away from each other or which has the biggest difference. If the difference will be bigger, so the ratio will be bigger. For example, 1 times 48. So the biggest ratio is 48 over 1, which is a bigger number, 48. So to find the smallest ratio, I need to choose some numbers which are closer to each other. Look at that. I can make it 2 times 24 also, 3 times 16 also, or after 4 times 12 also. But I must choose the one which has smallest difference between. So 8 over 6 will be the smallest ratio. We also can simplify it with 2. It will be 4 over with 3. Look at that. If I choose 12 and 4, the ratio will be 3. 3 is a whole number, but 4 over 3 will give us something like 1.3333. So 1.333 is smaller than 3 itself. Also 16 over 3, it is something like 15 over 3 makes 5, so 5 point something. It is 5 point something. 12 over 4 it's 3, but 4 over 3 is 1 point something. So this is the smallest ratio. Okay? That is the idea of thinking. If we try to get the numbers from product, so if I change the question, look at that, I will change only this part of the question. I will make it find the biggest A over B over A. A plus B over A. Find smallest and biggest ratios. Yes. Find smallest and biggest ratios for this. Yes, A plus B over A.
What does it make?
A times B is equal to 48. If A times B is equal to 48, find smallest and biggest ratio for this. You will try each number which you may choose. Yes. 1 and 48, 2 and 24, 3 and 16. But you need to find the right way to do it directly. To have the biggest ratio, A plus B should be biggest number. A plus B should be biggest, A must be smallest. Yes, it is the biggest one. Number 2 understood the way. Let's see number 5. Ah, you were number 3 in the first hour. Yes, this is the way to do it, but it's 49, not 48. Now it's good. Yes, it is the way this one, but plus between them. 6 plus 8. Yes, like this. Number 3, 5 and 6 understood. This one is also understood. Now that one is waiting. Look at that. You can. Did something. Let me check yours. Yes, it is like this. Oh, everybody understood. Okay. Everybody understood. Now, there is no need to push harder. There is no need to push harder. So, the highest thing which we can choose, 48 plus 1 will be 49. 49 over 1. The smallest one which we can choose, look at that, 8 plus 6 makes 14, 12 plus 4 makes 16. 14 is still smaller. So 14 over From 8 and 6, I will choose a smaller one or bigger one.
The bigger one. To get smaller, you must
Yes.
be bigger.
So we simplified by 2 and it will be 7 over 4. Everybody did a mistake about this.
So I did 14 over 6.
Yes. So to have a smaller ratio, we choose from the numbers the bigger one. To make the division smaller, to make the ratio smaller. Okay?
48 times 1 over 48. What did 48 times 1
Over 49.
over 48? It would
But-
be smaller.
Oh, very, very, very good thinking. I didn't see
It's
that.
bad teacher.
I didn't see that. You did like what?
Yes, I bad teacher, but now when I cleaned.
Oh, I didn't think
The
that.
smaller one.
It's smaller than 7 over 4.
Did you understand? 49 over, we choose 48.
And 49 over
Yeah,
1.
Instead of
we
8,
replace it.
we replace. Yes, this is also smaller. This is smaller than this. That's why this is a really good thinking. Very well, very well.
1 is the bigger.
Yes. So you have this question in the textbook. I think you can remember this lesson. Or even if you don't remember, there is somewhere to watch it. I hope that we are recording that well. I didn't check the first hour. How did we record it? How did we record? Not record that. Okay, for this, thank you for helping me. Let's take some other questions. Between each following, there are 15 natural numbers. Okay. Now there is another type of questions. AB plus BA is equal to what? I think it can be yes. 121. Find A plus B. There is no logic in this. There is no logic. You can do it with logic, but there is a way without a logic. 125. Find A plus B.
Is it A plus?
Find.
Teacher, is it AB plus BA?
Yes. You can come inside. Now everybody, let me show you the idea. I don't want you to try the choices, because there is a way to do it, and we doesn't need guessing. We don't need guessing. May I see? May I take it? May I take it, please? Yes, she just made a trial. It can be 8 and 3, 3 and 8. Okay, it can be, but she tried to find those numbers. We don't need to try to find those numbers. We don't need to guess anything. We don't need to guess anything. There is not a formula. There is something which you know very well. For example, A, B. This is a 2-digit number. It's like 25, 36, 74. It can be anything. So when you open this, how do you open this? A times 10 plus B times 1. Am I right?
Right.
When you open BA, how do you open? B times 10 plus B times A times 1 plus A times 1 equal to 121. Okay? So 10A, 10A here, 1A here. Completely we have 11A. 1B here, 10B here. Completely we have 11B is equal to 121. If we take 11 out here, A plus B will be inside 121. So A plus B equals 121 over 11, which is equal to 11. Number 5, did you understand what happens here? We don't need to guess anything. Okay? You found it easily, huh? When you know this rule, you will find it faster. Because you will not need to guess. Yes, 11. A plus B is 11. We are looking for A plus B. What? We are looking for A plus B. We found A plus B. I must find another question. Did you write this one? Now I will change this number. 187. Yes. Do it in. Yes. Yes. Do it as you wish. Yes. You can use guessing also. No problem. Because when you open 35, 3 times 10, 5 times 1. Then you open 73, 7 times 10, 3 times 1. So first times 10, second times 1. If it is 273, 2 times 100, 7 times 10, 3 times 1. Yes, number 5. Come to the board. Number 3. I am really afraid of your handwriting. But if you write it here, everybody will know who you are. AB plus BA. Let's write the question. 187. and we are looking for a plus b. What's that? You can change the color if you like. Another one. Yes, we know that. Let me help you. Please don't touch anything. I can help you from here with mouse. Now write it again. I need to cancel a times 10 plus b times 1. To expand the first number, to expand second number, we do b times 10 plus a times 1. It's equal to 187. Very good. Yes, B11, don't worry, same thing. 11A and B11 or A11 is same. A plus B times 11. Oops. Okay, don't. Is what? 17, thank you. Okay, now I must show you another thing. Yes. I think everybody did this one. No, some of you didn't do. I need to find something, that's why it's so hard. Oh, that was good. AB minus BA is equal to 135. Then find A minus B. New question.
So A is bigger.
Yes, it has to be. Let me check the questions. Is there anything else that is very important for you? Okay, even if there are some different questions, most probably you will not solve those questions. Those questions will be hard for you. Then we will see different types of questions in class and I will teach them to you, if I can remember it well. So let's make this question as the last one. Yes, number 6 wants to solve very much. Let's call number 6. Let's finish the lesson. Number 6, please change the color. Make it another color. You can use anything you wish. But you must write a bit smaller and follow the squares. A10 plus, of course, always plus between them, yes. Plus B1B minus, open parentheses, B10 plus A1, close parentheses, make the 1 bigger, A1, A times 1, extend it down here, 1 equal to, yes, nobody will see this, but I will write it really small, 135 will be here. Now, start from here, please. 10A, right there, what I told to you. 10A plus B, or 1B, minus 10B. We must open the parentheses minus A. No parentheses. Go 2 times back. Minus A, or minus A1 you wrote here, equal to 135. Yes, 10A minus A gives us 9A. Okay. Minus 10b plus b gives us minus 9b. It must be equal to 135. If we take the 9 out, 9 times inside the parentheses, we will find that a minus b. Yes, number 5. This is a bit harder for you. There are some things which you didn't learn yet. You will learn them next year. Now, a minus b equals to 135 over, okay, number 5. That's why this is an increased math. To open parentheses, may I use, remember that? We did that in class, we must share minus. If there is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, you must multiply everything by minus, okay? Do you remember that from the class? We did that. We did that? Did we do it? We did that in equations, when we open the parentheses, in equations. Yes? No, we still have time. Please stop. Oh, this is yours. I want to show something. Everybody, especially the number 6, student number 6. Here we have an equation, and we can have only one equation sign. We don't need other equation signs. We mustn't put those equation signs. Okay, we have only one equation sign, and it shows that two parts are equal to each other. Left part, also right part. Okay, what was the last thing which I'm going to tell to you? What was that? Please, and even if you don't like, do it please. Thank you for listening.